welcome to another plan with me. This week's going to be a little bit different. So I am using some old sticker kits that I have that I want to kind of try to use most of it. So I'm planning for the week of, so this is for Thursday the 15th. I think I want to go so that my Monday is like the start of the week. So I'm going to just do Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday to plan. So that I'm on like an actual Monday through Saturday week. But let me show you how this past week has turned out. I love this kit from Simply Smith stickers. It's beautiful. It still is beautiful. I love looking at these pages. Yeah, it's just great. So we are gonna go ahead and plan for Thursday, Friday, and Saturday and Sunday this week. Okay, so I'm going to be using this Cafecito leftover kit. It's the unicorn kit, and this is the Go Getter Girl kit. So I'm just going to use these leftover stickers, which are the primary stickers I'm going to be focusing on today. And then I'm also going to be using some leftovers from my Simply Smith sticker kit, and then as well as some from Sarah Marie. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and get started. I also brought these two washi tapes to use if I wanted. So I have this like thicker gold one from Simply Gilded, I believe. I actually don't really remember. And then I have this small pink sparkly one, which I got somewhere from Michael's. So I did kind of start pre-planning. So I did take these smaller stickers, and I wanted to use these for work for Thursday and Friday, just to label. This plan with me might be a little bit everywhere because I couldn't really pre-plan that well because I don't really know what I'm doing. So then I'm going to put this counseling sticker. I have that on Friday at 4. So this one is a little bit longer. And I try to pick stickers that kind of match with this Cafecito design. So these script stickers are from the Cafecito design sticker pack. And then, yeah, so I think all the scripts are going to be from Cafecito Designs if I have any. Then I decided that using these banners with these to-do stickers would be cute. So I'm going to go ahead and try to cover the to-do up. And I guess I could white it out, but I don't feel like doing that. So I'm going to go ahead and put these down, and then I'll do Saturday and Sunday together so I don't have to flip between pages. So I still have one more heart one and one more star one. I think these banners are super cute. Then I'm going to go ahead and take this pink washi and mark off the time that I work. And this doesn't match perfectly with the pink boxes, but I think it goes well with the unicorn stuff. So I'm just going to go ahead and use my Erin Condren ruler and strip that off. And then same for here. Oops, sorry if I move the camera a little bit. Okay, so that looks good. I think I just want to put my plans down first before. So I have dinner with my friend on Friday, so I'm going to put that. She's just coming over to the house. Josh is going to dinner with some old co-workers. So I think that's good. Then for Saturday, Josh and I want to go and do our wedding band, so I took one of the stickers from Simply Smith stickers, and then the hearts from the Cafecito Designs, and then that will probably be, I don't really know. I'm going to put it at 11:30, 10:30, I mean. I don't actually know how long that's going to take. That'll include like the driving, obviously, so put that there, and then I'm going to go ahead and put the to-do banners that I did. Oops, okay. Gotta be careful sometimes with these stickers. I think these look super cute used like this. Put the star one on this. Otherwise, I don't think we have many other plans. We'll do grocery shopping on Saturday night. Oops. That's quite crooked. Perfect. And then yeah, I think I'm just gonna go ahead and decorate these with the cute little stickers on here. So this will be more of a decorative Thursday's kind of gonna be my relax day. Put that there. Oh, I forgot to do my AM and PM routines. Let's see. So I have some of these. Maybe I'll use these two and then use these two blues for the weekend. Oh, I need AM and PM. You know what? Maybe I'll use these little hearts to indicate. Okay. I think I might split out my weeks like this and do 2 plan with me's each week. What are your guys' thoughts on that? That way then the videos won't be so long, and then I maybe will actually do my to-do list. I don't know, I probably could have covered these. So let me know in the comments below if you prefer it broken out, so then you get 2 videos of Plan With Me, or if you prefer just seeing the whole week, or you prefer just seeing one whole day at a time. Let me know in the comments below. But yeah, I'm kind of liking this because it's easier to film. But then again, if I'm using one kid, it might be easier to do a whole week. So I could still set up everything. So then I'm going to go ahead and take my pen and do my routine. I think I did teeth first before, but it's okay. I'm going to take these out of the planner just so I can tilt them. And my routines are like the same for morning and night. Okay, so I filled in all my AM and PM routines. I'm going to put in trash day for Thursday. So I'm going to go ahead and use this sticker from my Cafecito design. And I'm going to have to cut it a little bit or maybe I'll just put it at the top here, because I don't think I'm going to do any washi at the top like I thought I was. So I'm going to go ahead and put that, and then I'm going to take my Simply Smith sticker for trash day and put that here, and then put trash day. I probably will put the weather in, but I probably won't do it until later. I've been really bad at tracking my water too, so I need to rethink about what I'm tracking in here. But then I'm gonna go ahead. I do want to read, so I think on the weekend I will make time for reading because it really needs to happen. I'm gonna definitely do it on Sunday. I think that will be a good day to go ahead and read, and then I'm going to use one of my Simply Smith stickers. I'm going to do, maybe I'll do the yellow. Oh, I guess I had yellow already up there, but I'll do the yellow read with the bugs, and then I'm going to film the plan with me on Sunday. I'm probably going to do that towards the morning time so that's still bright outside. And I'm going to go ahead and take one of my planner stickers, and this one, I'll do the purple planner. And do that here. Okay, and then I'm just going to go ahead and add some more stickers to decorate. I don't really know what I'm doing. That's okay. I'm going to put this here and put maybe the unicorn head here. Yeah, that's cute. I don't want too much going on. Maybe I'll use these to like do maybe some of the weather. I'm gonna put a heart here, and I think the star over here to cover up those asterisks. But I think, yeah, that is everything I think I'm gonna do for this week, or for these 4 days. I still think it looks really cute with just using leftover stickers. Oh wait, I forgot. I'm gonna put the grocery cart on the day we're shopping. Okay, but yeah, I think that's everything. Thank you guys for tuning into my Play With Me. I know this was a short one, but let me know if you guys like this format better, just having half the week. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye.